Meantime, the Northeast is looking at a different kind of storm, bracing for heavy snow and ice now hitting the region. More than 23 million people are under winter storm warnings, and some places may get between 5 to 9 inches of snow. In fact, New York City could see its largest snowfall since 2022. And these storms are the reason that we are looking at some impacted travel. There's a live look at PBIA right now. This comes as TSA expects to screen thousands of passengers into the new year. Now, when the storm started yesterday, there were more than 7,000 delays and 2,000 cancellations across the nation. And let's see how things are looking right now at our local airports. Right now, Palm Beach International Airport's looking at 23 current delays. Fort Lauderdale, 102 delays. Definitely check your flight status before you head to the airport today. Miami International at 57. That number jumped big at Fort Lauderdale, something to keep an eye on. Now, looking at the cancellations now, Palm Beach International is at 15 cancellations, Fort Lauderdale at 40, still staying pretty steady over the last couple of hours. Same thing in Miami at 30 cancellations right now. Of course, we are monitoring this very closely. We will update these numbers throughout the day.